We've had some breakthroughs recently. Finally got acknowledged by the government, officially, on paper, for the funds that are there. But the reality is that these people are anti-human, diabolical, and hateful. They steal from us and put people on the inside of our groups. They manipulate people's minds. They change the way everybody sees things. And the hardest thing is to get people to stand up, just do the right thing. I don't know what else to do. We're pushing in every direction at all times, every day. We have funds, $11 billion sitting at Chase Bank, and we have the Rockefellers bribing people to stop it from coming in. We have all these amazing things that are possible for everyone. We have the cure for COVID, cancer, and AIDS, and we can't get Trump to take the time out of his busy campaigning schedule just to announce it. Something free for the government, for the American people. So, that being said, we also have some delays, and we're not sure where they're coming from, to launching the news channel. So we don't even have an equal share of voice. And that has set us back a bit. And right now, we are in urgent need to raise some money. We have a lot of people who are in urgent need and need money. So we are asking for your help. Now, they infiltrated us and basically got one of our PayPal accounts shut down. So we're adding a PayPal account to this one. We haven't asked for any donations in a while because we just decided, to stay away from it, and we were almost done. So we finished the app for the United News. We've launched the app for the Life Force, and we have done all of this based on the donations that you all have provided. Now, right now we are in urgent need. We have some people that are in urgent need, and we need to really try to help them out that are major contributors to everything that we do. So I'm asking you to please, if you have it, it is urgent to contribute to the fund below. And if you don't, please don't. I don't want anybody in a bad situation. We're just trying to get to a better place. And guys, we are winning. It's just it's a battle. All right. Stay posted. Good things are happening. I'll talk to you soon.